Hi, my name's Colin Evans. In this short video, we're going to look at changing the origin location and orientation of a sketch. Many a time I get asked, how do I change the orientation of a sketch so I don't have to keep using the arrow keys on the keyboard to change the orientation I require? Sometimes people just don't know they could rotate the sketch using the Alt arrow keys on the keyboard in increments of 15 degrees. So let's see how it's done. On selecting a face in my model, I'm going to use the In Context Command Manager to select the sketch. This should rotate the sketch round normal to the orientation of the plane. However, this isn't quite the orientation I want. This element here highlighted in orange, I'd like it to be my y-axis. So let's see how this is done. Using my command finder, I'm going to type in a line, and you can see it'll filter out all the commands that contain ALI. The command I want to use is Align Grid Origin. Clicking on this I will take me to the location where the command lives. So it's on Tools, Sketching Tools, Align Grid Origin. I can also select the command from the command finder as well. So Align Grid Origin, selecting the command, populates the property manager for the Align Grid Origin. First of all, I'm going to select the origin. I would like this vertex point here to be my origin. And you can see it puts a little direction indicator on here. This wants to be my Y direction, which is this long one here. So in the Y direction on here, I'm going to select this element, and you can see this rotates around. So this is going to be my X direction. This is going to be my Y, but I'd like to flip the Y direction across. Green tick. Select normal to, we'll rotate that sketch, so this is now my Y, and X is along here, and the origin point is here. I do hope this short video helped. Thanks for watching. Bye now.